And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And follow that up with the latest on Hurricane Fiona. Obviously, the devastation in Puerto Rico is jaw-dropping, but the storm is actually getting stronger now near Grand Turk Island, just a few miles south and east of this little tiny island right there. And little tiny island, big hurricane, not a good play for the Grand Turk Island. Turks and Caicos Islands will take the brunt of this tomorrow, moving north from the Dominican Republic now. And it just continues to strengthen. The eye of the hurricane continues to be so obvious on satellite, and that's because it is on the cusp of a Category 3. It's Category 2 now, but the sustained wind's 110. It needs 1 more mile per hour on the sustained winds to hit that Category 3 status. That seems like a slam dunk. It likely will become a Category 4 and then make the turn north and east. That would be sustained winds of 130. And the real area, the island that's in really big trouble as we go into the end of the week, is once the hurricane turns northeast, Bermuda is like looking down the barrel of a gun at this point. I mean, it is going to ravage the island of Bermuda before finally drifting up into the North Atlantic, well to the east of us. But because the system is going to be churning in the east, off the Atlantic, off the East Coast and the Atlantic for so long, we'll have some high surf and some rip current issues as we go into Friday and Saturday. But boy, keeping this thing east for us is good news. But for Bermuda, we got to keep an eye on that Thursday night into Friday. So the tropics start to heat up a little bit. Temperatures outside in the 60s right now. Not much more movement. We're pretty much at our lows. It's really humid too. It was hard to tell during the day because it was so cool, but now at night you can feel the mugginess, and the dew points will stay in the mid to upper 60s throughout the morning hours, but then eventually drop a bit for Tuesday, come back up on Wednesday, and then a real fall-like feel for the end of the week, and very comfy and actually quite cool as we go into the end of the week, especially for Friday. So showers and thunderstorms racing across the area. They're moving so fast that it was such a progressive line that we had some heavy rain, but the totals weren't really staggering. Had some lightning and some thunder. Most of the activity has moved far east, and now it's just some fog during the overnight. Lots of clouds. There's your overnight lows in the low to mid 60s. Some of that fog, though, could be locally dense. So for that morning commute tomorrow, just be careful. You come across an area where the visibilities could be reduced to like less than half a mile. That could slow things down. I put a little yellow there. And then the rest of the day features clouds and some showers late in the day, but I don't think it will really have a big impact on the evening commute. Temperatures tomorrow in the low to mid 70s for areas in Rhode Island and for southeastern Mass. If you pop a little sunshine at times, it'll be the exception rather than the rule, and I do think the clouds will end up winning out more. So Futurecast, showers and thunderstorms continue to move east, and just getting through a lot of clouds during the day tomorrow. Some showers in the afternoon, kind of spotty in nature, but still some rain in the forecast tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. That rain will come to an end, wake up to some clouds on Wednesday, and then pop some sunshine in the afternoon. Wednesday turns out to be a pretty nice day with temperatures in the 70s. But another round of rain comes in for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That's a cold front. Happy fall. It's going to drop the temperatures. In fact, so chilly that on Friday, we'll struggle to get to 60, and with a breeze out of the northwest, it's going to feel even cooler than that. Still cool on Saturday, but moderating temperatures for Sunday, and another chance of rain for early next week. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. PC lands a big commitment on the recruiting trail.